What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dave and this is Hudson Moto Visuals. We're in the garage today, and a few months back I got actually challenged by Mr. Robert Simmons and Riding and Wrenching, and they wanted to know what's in the saddlebags. Let's get into it. Alright, so first off, what we're going to do, let's see what's on the outside of the bag. So first here, I got all my stickers here. I don't know if you guys could see it, but first we got the Lucky Dave's sticker. I got my Lucky Dave seat. I actually got this bike when I had almost, I want to say 900 miles on it. This seat has been a beast. I've always had 12,000 miles on it. Tennessee back, very comfortable. It's good for solo riding. The 2-up, not so much, but we have something else for that. Next we got my 03D sticker here. 03D makes awesome lights. I have all 03 lighting on here except for the front headlight. That's a Daymaker from Harley. I got my Olin sticker. I got the Olin's Black Line 772s on the back here. I don't have anything in the front yet. I've been working on that. That should be your first upgrade if you're going to get a tourer like this. The suspension in the back. I don't know what Harley's doing. But anyway, we got my Tail of the Dragon sticker. I got a few last year when I did the Tail of the Dragon. It was a fun road. And I am going back this year, probably in October, with a couple buddies of mine. And then last but not least, you got my good old sticker here, Hudson Moto Visuals. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, baby. So let's go inside the bag here. On this side, I'll show you here, we have my rain jacket. I always bring this around. It's a great rain jacket. It is a Tourmasters rain jacket. It's always in the saddlebag. You never know when you're going to get caught in the rain. We have an extra towel here. Extra towel just to wipe down the bike. If the seat's wet, it's nice right there. We also got a cargo net. All right. We also have an extra rain jacket. This extra rain jacket could go over any of the gear that I'm wearing, so this is nice. This is actually not even a riding jacket. This is just a regular rain jacket. It's a I think it's a Gap one. I got a few years back. Pretty cheap anyway. And then we also have a 360 extension pole here. I got 2 of them in here. I was actually looking for one of them. I guess they were both in here, didn't even know. Then we have this Kimimoto organizer here that goes onto the side of the saddlebag here. It's pretty good. It holds a lot of stuff. I usually put my insurance and registration in there. Extra charging cables just in case anyone needs a cable. Back here is an extra battery and extra mask. It says work less, ride more, baby. What else we got in here? I got my sticker from Robert Simmons, Be the Boss of Your Motorcycle. Great channel, check him out. So that's what's on this side. Okay, now we're going to do the other saddlebag. This has no stickers on it or anything, just plain in the back. So we got what we got here. Open it up. Sorry for it's a little disorganized, but we got this Genius Boost. It's actually a jump pack. Carry it everywhere. You never know. We actually used this in Virginia when we were coming back from Daytona. It was very cold out that day. Someone needed a jump, so we used it. Here's the wiring for it. We got a pair of gloves. These are street steel fingerless gloves. Just an extra pair. We have this plug kit. This plug kit is, you know, just a temporary solution. If you're out on the road, you got a nail in the tire, plug it up, roll to your next destination, and get yourself a new tire. So it's just a great way to just get you to the shop. Well, when you do the plug kit, you might lose some air. And this is a DYNAPLUG. This actually plugs into where I plug my battery tinder into. Runs off the battery of the bike, and you put some air in your tires. That's pretty good. Then we have this tool roll. This Stockton Tool Company roll. This is all American sizes. It's good for this bike. Has everything in it, as you can see here. Wrenches, torques, everything you need if you're out on the road and you do some work on it. Maybe there's like a loose bolt or something. It also has zip ties. Also, it has fuses if you ever blow a fuse. It's pretty cool. I like this. Well worth the money. Leave a link below. Then we have our battery tinder. I like to take with me just in case, this Megaboost battery tinder, just for the fact that, you know what, if you can, if you have like a older battery and you have a plug access and you're out on the road next to a hotel or something, this is actually good. Just plug it in. It will keep your battery good to go the next day. We also have motor oil. Got the Mobil 1 V-twin motor oil. Mobil 1 my dad swears by, so I got this for the bike. He used to use it in all the Mercedes he used to fix. And also on this side we got a Kimimoto organizer here. I got snacks here, peanuts if you're on the side on the road and you're stranded. Got something to eat a little bit, waiting for the whatever it is to come. We got this is a ram lock. We also have a clip mount, extra wires here, clip mount for the 360, and this one. We have my stickers back here. I didn't know they were back here, to tell you the truth. Sorry about that. I have to start really giving these out. I really don't give them out a lot. And then we have the stickers in the bag. First we got my Buddy Holy Shift. Then we have my Mount Washington sticker, Barber CVO sticker, the Headless Biker sticker, Tail of the Dragon sticker, Footwills Parkway sticker, Baggers and Brews sticker, and Cycle Fanatic sticker. Come on, focus. There it is. And the last sticker I got in here is the Mamoon's Falafel sticker. Great place to eat. A bunch of places here. So there you have it, guys. That's what's in my saddlebag. I keep it always like that. Everything that you saw in this video, I keep it in the bag at all times. Short trips, long trips, road trips, doesn't matter. I'll leave links below. If you use any of the links below, I get a little kickback. Helps support the channel. So, you know, I know it's a challenge. You're supposed to challenge other people, but you know what? I challenge anyone who wants to make this video. You know, it's always cool to see what's in people's bags. Mine is more set up for anything out goes bad on the road. I got something, a raincoat, toolkit, all that fun stuff. I'm almost at 1K. Come on, we're almost there. We've got about 75 more from making this video. So hit that subscribe, hit that like button, and also if you liked anything here, again, all in the link below. So have a great day, guys. and I'll see you next time. Peace. Oh, hey, what's going on, guys? You made it to the end of the video, but it's not over. I know you want to. Just click this video right here. Right. If not, just subscribe. Thanks. Have a good day.